Suzuki Max. Okay, so unlock. So we'll try to start the engine. Okay, so make sure this key is inside of this key. And then you can see here the push button. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so I just have to push once like this. So make sure before you start, it's on park position P. So it's park position, this reverse, neutral, drive. Alright, so if you want to shift or change your shift level, you have to press this. Okay, but before you do that, for example, there's this parking lever that you need to put down first. So I'm pressing the brake. This is an automatic. We have pedal and acceleration pedal. The accelerator and then the brake. Just press this and then press this button and then put down. You have to pull a little bit up and then put down. Alright, now we're going to shift this to reverse, just in case you wanted to move your car, because I'm currently parking on this side, so I'm facing the wall, so I have to reverse. So take a look, press the button and then change it to reverse. Okay, now we can see here it's reverse, right? So before you move, make sure that you are already, or you close already this door, right, properly. Okay, and then you can move by just lifting off the brake pedal slowly. You can see here the cars will move. Let's see, it's moving now. Okay, so that's how you move it. Now if you want to go forward, you shift it to drive. Again, you have to press this, then shift to drive, and then by slowly removing or lifting off your foot on the brake pedal, right, you will see this moving. It moves. Okay, that's it. That's how you turn on the engine and then set it to reverse or drive. And if you're going to park, just press the button here and then shift it to park while I'm on brake, and then pull the lever, parking lever, press, or actually when pulling you don't have to press it, so you can just pull this. That's it, and you're done.